Hey guys, so I wanted to share really quickly this arroz con gandules recipe. I made it 1, 2, 3. I actually just wanted to make a small pot for 2 people, but it ended up being like a little bigger, maybe for 4. And what I did different here is I made it with basmati rice, which was really delicious. And I didn't have my Spanish olive or my alcapurria mix, so all I did was add a little bit of vinegar. Enjoy it. Please subscribe to my channel. Keep checking out my videos. I'm coming back stronger. And this is just a quick little video. Don't mind me. It's 12 a.m. and I'm cooking for tomorrow. So enjoy this video. Check out my Instagram, Chef Sally. Hit that like and subscribe. Love you guys. Some shallots in the pot. You add that flavor, sofrito. Ooh. Hit that pan. Mix it up. Get those flavors out. For 1 minute. And then you add a spoon of chicken bouillon, a spoon of Sazon, some oregano. I have fresh crushed oregano. For a few seconds, you add 1 spoon of tomato paste or 2 spoons of tomato sauce. I didn't have my tomato sauce. Mix that baby up. Add your gandules. Cook this down for about another minute or 2. We're gonna add, usually here, you've been cooking your gandules for 2 minutes. Now this is when you add your spoon of olives or alcapurria mix, but I don't have any, so I'm adding about a teaspoon of vinegar, just because I love to use the brine. We're adding the rice. It's already been washed. Mix well. It's so yummy. I'm gonna add some liquid. Now you wait till your rice comes to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you're gonna lower it and you're gonna let it dry out. When the rice dries out, you cover it, and it should be done in about 20-25 minutes. We're gonna try it because we didn't add salt, but we added a big spoon of chicken bouillon. So let's see, this is when you know if you need more salt. Okay, it needs a little bit of salt because remember, rice water has to be a little salty. So we add a small spoon of salt. I was using pink Himalayan salt. I have it on high right now. When it comes to a boil, I'm gonna lower it. And then I'm going to let it dry out, and then I will cover it. I'm using basmati rice. Now that it's nice and dry, we're going to cover it and cook it for about 30 minutes. This is basmati rice, so yeah, I leave it for about 30 minutes. I love this rice, and it comes out perfect with the arroz con gandules. Now cover. Mi gente, we have arroz con gandules. What? Oh my gosh, so yummy. Look at that. Ooh. And for you guys that don't know, with basmati rice, it comes out really delicious. Ooh. So good.